Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Command Palette. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a Wamp installation error. It occurs when you going to install, and it's called something MSVCR120.DLL is missing. So today I'm gonna show you how you can fix that error very easily and quickly. See, I'm going to install Wampserver64 64-bit 3.2.3 version. Look, if you guys want to install older PHP version, then you can tick mark on PHP 7.0.33. Any version you want to install, just tick on it. I'm going with default installation. Next, if install. See, guys, the error will occur when the installation about to finish. I'm going to push installation and will resume when the error so the installation is about to end. The error may occur right now in few moment. See, I'm going with the default setting. Now you can see this occur, this error MSVCP120.DLL is missing. I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error. So I'm going to click OK. Then you have to install some net framework. So I downloaded this net framework rar file. I'm going to extract this here. It's extracting. All the file is extracted. I can click on next, finish. So it doesn't matter, you finish the installation. Just click install _all.bat. It will install all the net framework that required in your PC, that is missing in your PC. I will put the link in the description below. Please check the link and install all the net framework. So it's installing net framework. It may take time, so I'm going to pause this video and will resume after it install successfully. All the net frameworks has been installed, and I'm gonna install Wampserver again. So I downloaded net Wampserver from the site. I will put the link in the below, that so you can download it easily. I accept the terms. I accept the agreement. Next. I choose the default directory, C drive Wamp64. You can change it if you want to, but I'm okay with that. With next, already exists anyway. Yes. Okay. It is saying I have to change the directory, so I will add 4 extra. Next. Now we'll see if the error comes or not. I think it's fixed almost, but we can't say until all the installation has been properly finished. So while it's installing, I'm going to show you, you can download net framework from the link I put in the description. Net framework is important to run some software in the Windows. It's when you install genuine window, it comes with the update, but when you download it from some website or someone OEM version of Windows. If you are using it, don't update and net frameworks error comes. So let's see if the error is coming or not. It's almost finished. Let's see. No. Error is not coming. I think error is fixed. You can see, guys, the error is not coming. I think it has been fixed. You just have to install this all net frameworks with this only a bat file. I will put RAR in the description below. You can check. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. See, the error has been fixed successfully, finished, and I'm going to run this software. Yes, you can see it's now red, and then it will turn to green if the all things done properly. If it's not turning green, then there is something problem. So I think it should turn, yeah, look at that, it's turned to green and we are ready to go. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.